Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream to English. In this particular video, I am going to discuss phrasal verbs that start with I and J letter in English. So make sure do watch this video till the end. And one more thing, I have an amazing gift for you and this is an ebook. By the help of this ebook, you can enhance pronunciation and vocabulary of your child following 8 steps which I have mentioned in this ebook. My name is Dr. Ratan Patel and I am an English grammar trainer. I help students in improving their English grammar. So let's deep dive into today's topic. So here is a first one and this is inquire into. To find out more information about something, छानबीन करना, जांच पड़ताल करना. A committee was appointed to inquire into the allegation. Next one is insist on, to demand something and refuse to be persuaded to accept anything else. जोर देना, घोषणा करना कि कोई उद्देश्य नहीं बदला जा सकता है. Charles was determined to insist on his rights. Next one is interfere with, to prevent something from succeeding or from being done or happening as planned. बाधा उत्पन्न करना या रोकना. Emotional problems can seriously interfere with a student's work. Jump at, to accept an opportunity, offer, etc. with enthusiasm. उत्सुकता से स्वीकार करना. She jumped at her birthday gift. Next one is jump on somebody, to criticize somebody. हमला करना, घोर निंदा करना. Everybody jumped on the captain for losing the match. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any doubt or question, you can put your doubt or question in comment section. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.